Dipu Boys Higher Secondary School Patua Klamalong Tractor Kelan. Run for Unity ki bipen Karbing long ta Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel Pirthe kache Arni Katalon. Trokebra ke Thomangdeng National School Vosu Under 17-19 Girls Championship along Karbing long Sami Hongbari Timong Piaphan Kangwai po. Cardo Mid Express along Penili Birta Thanmang Tare Chesong Teron and Birta Angton Pen RJ Tham. Paikuni ni Paisi Arni Adapor Paisir Kebapor Pen Dipu Government Boys Higher Secondary School Patua Klamalong Tractor Kelan Padopon. Agriculture Department Pen Chipatir Piponsi Chief Minister Samagra Gramya Unayan Yojana Pen Tractor Kelanasai Padopon. Karbing Long Tanmas Council Agriculture EM Amar Singh Tisoy Hin Pen Kangpu Ponalong Karbing Long Tanmas Council EM Prodip Dipusa Chitongdun. Bang Solong Karbing Long Lapen West Karbing Long Hinia District Bang Rumpet Pen Parotrok Sira Pokebra Ketom Revenue Arong Do. La Songbong Pen Kachuning Ri Alo Nang Kapali Dundi Arong Paro Hinira Inkora Nerkep Anto. Ipak Kachuning Ri Alo Nang Kapali Apay Paro Ketomra Inkora Sirkep. Pakni Kachuning Ri Alo Nang Kapali Apay Along Paro Isira Craser Cap. Pak Thom Kachuning Ri Alo ng Kapali Apay Plikebra Isi. Lapen West Karbing Long District Pen Lu ng Kapali Apay Kilongpon Paroy Sira Plikebra Trokan Karbing Long Pen Paroy Sira Ner Kepra Ketom an Kachuning Ri Alo Longpon. Camera person Stefan Teron Pen Ratis Rompar Cat News Dipu. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel Pirthe kache Arni along Pachetondon Pen Preni Pai Thongkebra si Arni Dipu Dokmoka Baithalangso Heyo Edem along Kachingri ke Katmate Run for Unity Padu Pon Pusi Niltuma Perangke Tum Pen Lada Kat News along Birta Nang Pale.
Pre ni Paithom Kebra isi Arni ke Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel Pirthe kache Arni alang likhai piangbong eklaivet kapado chiaphan kabor I abang phulo alang li Pirthe kache Arni along Pachetondon Pen Pre ni Paithom Kebra isi Arni Karbiang long angkang Kachingri ke Katmate Run for Unity padosi phurkimo apun sek sompang chengpon.
Run for Unity Bharatiya Janata Party National Committee তরফৰ পৰা অৰ্গানাইজ কৰা আমাৰ ইয়াৰ পশ্চিম কাৰ্বিআংলং long Bharatiya Janata Party Run for Unity আমি আজি ফ্লেক্স অফ কৰা হৈছে। কথাটো হৈছে কি যে ভাৰতবৰ্ষ প্ৰথম স্বাধীনতা পোৱাৰ পিছত আমাৰ প্ৰথমজন উপ প্ৰধানমন্ত্ৰী স্বৰ্গীয় মাননীয় চৰ্দাৰ বল্লভভাই পেটেলৰ জন্মদিন দিৱসৰ কাৰণে আজি Run for Unity এটা আয়োজন কৰা হৈছে।
Dipu along kapado Run for Unity along East Karbiang long BJP Amaiphu Ratan Teron Kongchun Bang Amar Singh Tiso Dogmuka along MLA Joyram Ingleng MAC Lun Singh Teron Baithalang so along West Karbiang long BJP Amaiphu Arun Terangatum Run for Unity along Chatongdun Halapu di Mahasaw arong sopi half long along ta Run for Unity Achaimek Padopon Pusi half long penili tuma perangke Card News along Birtanang Pale.
Karbing long Dipurong Supia Sami Hongbari Timung Piaphan non Hejong Guwahati rong Supia long National School Vosu Under 17-19 Girls Championship along Assam Hawara Parman Kachepati Dunjia long Selection Trail Kepadopon along Ingwaipon Tanglo. Kivangji Mati Jonga Chiklo Nipai Hini Pen Nipai Po An Suri Hini Rakre Troksi Pen Craner Kepaning Kana Parma School Games Federation of India Hin Pen Chepatir Piponsi 63 and Deng National School Vosu Under 17-19 Girls Championship Guwahati Rong Supi Ulabaria Long Kedo Des Bata Tarun Ram Phukon Indoor Stadium along Niplia Parman Kachepati Padoponche Bangso Kachepati along Karbing Long Pen Vosu Kepatua Bangpi Hongbari Timung Pi Apan under 1965 kg along kachepati dun Japan Assam along ria Parman ingwai pon lopusi Vosu Association of Karbi Anglong Konchunbang pen Birta nang pali non malong sopor pandihin na Parman Birta mo ington pon ikseneng
Turkimi outlet opposite LDRB Difu Karbi Anglong Assam. 10% off in every kitchen and dining items like Hawkins, Flax, Milton, Treo, Shreya Iron, etc. 10% off in makeup and cosmetic products. And grocery items.
Please step in Malin Showroom. All kind of Karbi traditional and handloom handicrafts and ornaments are available here, along with gents, ladies and kids garments are also available here. Malin Showroom, MG Road, Main Market, opposite TOP. For more details, contact 9435433011. Ganj, Assam Hill Small Industries Development Corporation pen Arniwang Hemalong akenang sa hormu ason salam pontanglo. Lasinang tum Arniwang kenang sot kecho ason la penthesri alang hithi gulat along longpon ikji. Kang sirtang kijun alang, tharwe alang, theso alang, kecho ajam tu, tharmit aduk, thelua kreng, chitronola, ukthor pen chenglok ongdung hemalong akenang sot hormu longpon ikji.
Dihinamo pipotot bertalong wang tulong. Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Secretariat Conference Hall along Prenipay Thong Kebraisi Arni Principal Secretary Joysiri Dolagupuapan Chepadipon Tanglo.
Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council a Principal Secretary Joysiri Dolagupu Apor Pepen Arpu Kacheo Mate Premature Retirement Kedam Ajok Alang Liphan Council Secretariat Hall along Pre Thom Kebraisi Arni Secretary, Joint Secretary, Deputy Secretary, Assistant Secretary Pendanglok, Council Saipu Chokomaratum Mai Padopen Woreng Akai Pen Chepadipon, Dipurong Supiame Kardolagopu Apor Pepen Woreng Ahoy Kache Oajok, Council Chokomaratum Ning Mondok Chepirinti.
Karuntu itwe first of all more ma to etia mane bortoman 80 years 81 years hobo more mane bemar ase she is suffering from Alzheimer's and she is bedridden and moi bhabu je mane as a daughter mane mor eta daitto thaki gol je mane moi tar logot thakibo lagi moi jiban paru moi jao haflamot haflamot ase mar logot moi thaku kintu iman time jiman moi dibo lage moi iman dibo para nai aru as principal secretary here mane mor daitto to bahut moi office area bar eneka jabo nare to etu karone moi bhabisu mane mor family aru mor family o moi bhabisu ke moi time dibo lage to moi ahise mor eta mane priority to itu hol my family first of all my mother my family etu karone moi BRS moi in charge principal secretary asil 2012 pora tar pisor mor transfer hoy gol 2014 moi as secretary forest department ot korilu tar pisor information technology to moi as secretary korilu tar pisor moi ko yate full fledged principal secretary 15th July 2015 July 2015 ete 2 bosor hol yate as full fledged principal secretary Government already post korine Mahadananda Hazarika tekete ahibo ekapta bitor ahibo kintu in the meantime solabo karne in charge amar CM karo senior most secretary tekete charge lo
Dipurong supi along preni pai thong kebresi arni armu chejeng padopen Dipu club along kesi MIP pangcheng pon lapen kesi ka pangtang jalam chethan chimum pon thu
Karbilo Charlie Asong Mate KSA Amai PEC Ajaimek Pray Tom Kebraisi Arni Dipurong Supialong Armu Chejeng Kapado Pensi KSA Kecheng CSI Pangcheng Pon Armu Chejeng Adilungatum Deputy Commissioner Sai Hemalong Palidam Pen Union Home Minister Rajnath Singh Aphan Panong Pen Epak Pinpur Alo Pachardam Home Minister Singh Along Lasoa Pinpur Alo Kapaleji Aphan Deputy Commissioner Arideng KSA Asong Jatum Pinpur Alo Pachardam
Media Express berita bangkala pon si Kangton Poniglo lai bom ta Cut News Channel do meet help me Koran 2